When a snake sees a bird's egg, it usually doesn't hesitate. It approaches silently and swallows it in one gulp. However, the cuckoo bird has one of nature's most cunning defense plans. Its nest may look like a simple shelter, but it is actually a cleverly designed trap. The entrance visible from the outside is a fake compartment that distracts the snake and leads nowhere. The real nest is located below in a hidden lair. The eggs are hidden here, and this secret passage is closed almost invisibly by the bird every time it enters or exits. The snake slithers inside, encounters one of the empty nests, and quietly retreats. At that moment, it never realizes that its prey is right above it.